Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my next video on Python programming series. In this video, I will show you how to print message using print function in many ways. This video is very useful for you. Let's start with the coding part. In this video, I will show you how to print the value of the expression or a variable or string in different way. So let's a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3, assign the value of the variable and use it using simple print function. Now I will show you one different way to print the value of a variable. This is the f string I will use to print the value of a variable or any expression. So first you have to put f and start with the double quotes or single quote, then braces, assign the value, and close this. So what is the difference between this one and this one? Now you can see, if I remove the white space from this and want to print, then it also remove white space from it. But in case of this function, it print white space between two variables. Now I will show you another way to print. So simply start with the double quotes and put these brackets and end this. Now dot format. And pass the variables here. Now you can see it take the value in it and pass the second value b in this and print the message. Now if you remove white space from here, then it will also remove white space from your output. So this is the beauty of this in Python 3. In case if you want to put white space, put white space, but this feature is not available in this one. Now you can also put your expression here, addition with multiplication. In last I will show you the row string. This is especially used in string format. If you want to print a string or a message with sequencing like hi in Python. If you want to take and then use R before your message, this is known as row string, and print this. So it is also used in escape sequencing. R string is also used in path in our script. So tell us your favorite way to print value or expression. If you enjoy this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.